Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing Rent the Runway. This is a non-sponsored review. I tried it for 1 month. I'll show you the outfits that I picked, what were my thoughts, pros and cons. What is Rent the Runway? It's possible that you've never heard of Rent the Runway before. So a little bit of background is that they are an e-commerce platform and they allow their users to rent, subscribe, or buy designer apparel and accessories. The company was launched in November of 2009. Their mission statement is to empower women to feel their best every day. If you purchase a membership with them, you get access to thousands of styles for a flat monthly price, and they say that you can pause or cancel at any time. That is what won me over. The clothes comes in this black bag, and then you unzip it and it opens up to the clothes that are very neatly folded inside. These are their plans for 4 items per month. You get a month trial for $69. After that, it's $94 a month. For 8 items per month, it's $99 for 2 months, and then $144 after that. And then for 16 items, it's $149 for 2 months and then $235 after that. So why would anyone do this? The reason why I decided to try it is because I am taking more of a minimalist approach, and I don't want to keep buying and polluting our planet. So I was looking into alternatives, but being happy with what I'm wearing. So I felt like renting clothes would be the ideal solution. So I tried the $69 trial, and I was under the impression that you could just pause the plan at any time. But that's not the case. You may pause it, but they charge, I believe it's like $34 or $39 a month if you want to pause and keep the clothes. So first I was maybe thinking of looking into just items I could wear on the weekend or maybe to church. So really I was looking at only wearing these items once a week. The one downside that I would say to this is that you can't hold on to items for like 2 or 3 months for free. If you do want to do that, you're not obligated to order every single month, but then you're going to have to pay $39 to hold on to those items. So that was my that's my only critique of the system. Is I really wish you could just pause the months. And I understand, of course, maybe adding like a 3-month limit or a 4-month limit when you have to return the dresses, but I really wish that they would allow you to pause months without charging you additional fees. I'm not the kind of person that goes out a lot. So if this is great for people that have to wear a new outfit to work all the time, or you're going out to events all the time. And this is great because you're going to look phenomenal. They have gorgeous dresses. You're going to look phenomenal for a fraction of the price tag. But if you're someone like me, that I'm pretty frugal to begin with, I don't really go out a lot, I'm not sure how I feel about having this expense. Full transparency, I have since canceled my plan. I may consider rejoining in the future if there's an event or something coming up, but for me to have this on a day-to-day basis, I'm not sure I will do that. Some frequently asked questions is, how long can I keep the items? And you can keep the items for as long as you want. When you are a member, your rentals are yours until you're ready to return them. Yes and no. Yes, you can, but you are going to have to pay a price, and they don't disclose that before you join. Can I keep or purchase the clothing? Yes, you can buy the items, and you get access to members only sales and exclusive discounts on purchases. What types of items are included in a membership? Full closet access with retail value of up to $3,500 from over 700 designers. How do you send back returns? So they already bring in that big black bag that they deliver to you, which I did like that it was very reusable and eco-friendly. They already have a pre-printed label in there. So you just take that label out and you put it in the front pocket, and that's where you send back your items. So for drop-off locations, they have partnered with UPS, and then you just find one in your area and you return it there. If you happen to lose or damage an item, you will be charged the full buy price. So that is something that you have to be careful with. You can't just completely damage the piece or you will be charged the full price. And how are the items cleaned? They provide both wet and dry cleaning. They use biodegradable detergents that are free from fragrances, zeolites, any halogenated cleaning solvents that contain bad chemicals such as perchloroethylene, and they also pass through a steam tunnel between 248 and 302 degrees Fahrenheit and are immediately sealed in plastic to protect them from any additional handling. So that's the only thing that is not eco-friendly, is that all the dresses come in plastic bags. They do tell you to hold on to the plastic bag and send it back so that they can either reuse or recycle it. Let's talk about the dresses that I got. The first dress is Kate Spade, New York. It's a confetti pop smocked dress. It's a size 2. By the way, I'm not fancy schmancy, so if I pronounce a brand wrong, feel free to leave a comment below that I said it wrong, and I will learn from my mistakes. The product details of this dress is that it's hourglass, it has long sleeves, it has a crew neckline, a front zipper closure. Well, this is embarrassing. Now that I'm reading the product details, I realize that I thought that this dress zipped in the back, because most do. So when you see me in this dress, I totally have it on the wrong way. So anyways, it is, and they have it in sizes from 0 to 16. And again, I was picking what I thought from looking at them in the pictures were conservative dresses, because I was thinking of maybe wearing some of these dresses to church. But for example, when I received the black halo dress, it was actually quite short. At least for my church, they're very conservative. So the black halo was a bit too short, so I would not be able to wear this to church. But the product details for this is that it's multicolored floral crepe. It's 95% polyester with 5% spandex. It has a mock neck, long sleeves, back zipper closure. And it's the stylist notes is that pretty blooms sweeten the modest silhouette of this black halo mini dress that's draped and pleated to perfection. So when I received this dress, it had minor damage. Some of the, I don't even know how to call it, like part of this dress had been snagged. Like you could tell it was snagged, and it had broken a little bit. The original retail price for this dress is $375. I'm sure that they're marking it up significantly. Maybe not. If you wanted to buy it with the 21% discounts, it's $296. The Kate Spade dress, their retail price, according to Rent the Runway, is $378 and $207 to buy. This was my least favorite dress out of all of them. It has 4.5 out of 5 stars, but for me, it just did not flatter me at all. It made me, like, it was really frumpy on me. I tried on a size small, and the black halo dress, I tried a size 4 on. I didn't mention that. But yeah, this dress was my least favorite. It is $356 original retail value, $320 to buy with 10% off. The product details, it is blue animal printed chiffon, I don't know. Blue, it's hourglass, it has long sleeves, it has a high neckline, and it's snakeskin print. But again, my least favorite, it looked really frumpy on me. I think if maybe I was taller, this would have looked better. The last dress, I saved my favorite for last. The last dress was this Shoshanna Arcadia dress, and I absolutely loved it. It just felt really cute, and it's heavy. It's very heavy. I don't know why, but yeah, it felt very heavy, but it was very cute. The good thing about it being heavy is that I didn't feel like the dress was going to blow away if there was a heavy wind. Blue and white stripes, it's hourglass, it has short sleeves and a square neckline. So what are my thoughts? So what are my final thoughts? My final thoughts are this is a great option if you're having an event and you don't want to buy a dress that you're just going to use one time. So you could definitely join for a month. Cancellation was easy. It wasn't hard to do. You could definitely join for a month. get 4 outfits and then cancel at any time. If you're someone that is frequently going out, you have events, and you don't want to break the bank always buying really cute clothes, again, this would be a great option for you. For me, I see myself like probably signing up when I have an event or something to go to periodically throughout the year and then canceling it, not using the service on a continuous basis, just because, again, I don't really go out a lot. So I definitely see the value in it. And there are some really beautiful, nice outfits that I would never wear had it not been for that. I would never wear just because I don't see myself spending $400 on a dress. It's a great way to wear some amazing items for a fraction of the price. Yeah, what are your thoughts? Like, did you know about Rent the Runway? Have you tried it? Do you like it? Let me know in the comment below. Make sure that you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell.